Programming a Coviva micromodule is easy. The example we'll use in this video is how to configure a switch to a micromodule. Begin by pressing the configuration button on the module connected to the switch. The LED next to the configuration button will then turn red. Next, press the switch connected to the module and the LED next to the configuration button on the module will flash and then stay on. Press the function button on any module you'd like to control from this switch and use short presses to find and match the function LED output you need by using the function chart. When the function LED matches your function choice, hold down the button to store, and then the LED next to the configuration button will flash. Wait for the LED next to the configuration button to stop flashing and remain on. Finally, press the configuration button once on the original module that's connected to the switch to confirm your programming. All configuration lights will turn off and your programming is now complete. If you need assistance, you can contact our customer service team for advice.